Welcome to a tiny farm in India. We're a family. There's Harjeet and Sita, my brother and sister-in-law, Savinda, my wife, and me. Our small farm is located in Punjab, northern India, which is the home of the Sikhs and their 550 years of history closely tied to farming. The founder, Guru Nanak, with his rebab player, while he sings poetry. That is the beginning of Sikhism. Meanwhile, our village is near the Indo-Pak border. We own 7 acres, and for the past few years the land has been on lease to neighbours growing wheat and rice during Punjab's 2 seasons. Living in Singapore as absentee landlords was particularly hard during the COVID travel restrictions and lack of upkeep. But in December 22, Savinda and I returned for the first time to take stock and plant a new garden with trees, herbs, vegetables, future honey hives and beyond to start a medicinal mushroom growing project. Yes, we thought it was time to return to the land. So far we've cleared the compound, planted 20 plus fruit trees including mangoes, guavas, dragon fruit, peaches, nut trees, custard apples, mandarins, bananas and dates, and we've also sunk a new 500-metre artesian well. The farmhouse compound faces one into the village behind high walls. We've had to invest also in a new iron gate. The old one got corroded during the pandemic. In any case, we will be going again to Punjab in early May. Meanwhile, we've installed some CCTV cameras and we check out what's happening every day from the comfort of our Singaporean high-rise flat. But nothing would go on without our good friends and our helpers. Check out the links below to access my free multimedia ebook called Love Knot Tantra, a love story to rural India.
Yeah.